Today we're making Mongolian beef. I've already got the 3 tablespoons of oil heated in the pan, and we're going to add our steak that's coated with cornstarch into the pan. Try to spread it out, single layer. So try to use your biggest skillet. When I went shopping, the recipe calls for flank steak. So I did an online order at United for flank steak, and they didn't have it. So I had to go in, and I ended up buying, what was it? Top round? Yes, top round steak.
And then she exposed herself to the corona.
Now, it doesn't take long for it to brown up. You don't want to overcook it. Once it's browned up, you're going to remove it to a plate, and then you're going to make the sauce. It's
Almost there.
Almost there. It smells wonderful.
My phone overheated, so I had to get an ice pack. We're back.
Okay, so you're just going to take it off the heat and put it on a plate. We're going to make the sauce. We need 1/4 cup of water,
Oopsie poopsies.
1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, three garlic cloves minced, and then the ginger. You guys remember I showed you how to do ginger before in Culinary 1. You can use fresh ginger. Always use fresh ginger. And you're just going to stir that up and then bring it to a boil in the pan. You're going to bring the sauce to a boil, and as it starts to boil,
Boiling this.
it smells wonderful, doesn't it? Then you're going to add the meat back to the pan, and then you're just going to let it cook in the sauce. sauce for a couple of minutes. Notice the sauce getting thick, and that's the cornstarch on the meat, helping the sauce thicken.
Thick.
Then you're going to toss in a pinch of red pepper flakes. And the recipe called for green onions, but they did not have green onions at the store. So I'm just going to toss in some chopped onions. I had to substitute. So I'm just going to toss those in. Let that cook for just a couple of minutes, and then it's done. You can serve this with fried rice if you want to do Ohana's rice. I posted that video yesterday, so if you want to do Ohana's rice and you can't remember, that video's on our Culinary channel. Or if you want to just serve it with steamed rice on top of steamed rice, that would be good too.